friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the perfect number in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I use as notepad so you can type our Java programming. So yes, you have to I think know what is a perfect number. So given number is a perfect or not, that is our definition. So first I explain that is some paperwork or we can say that board work. So yes, sir, that I directly give one example so you can understand. So like one, 1, 2, 3, that is a perfect number. Why? Because that sum of digit and that multiplication of digit that is the same. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, that sum of that digit that is a 6, and like 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 that is also 6. So which number that is a perfect number, that digit and that multiplication, or we can say that addition of that digit and multiplication of digit, that you can get the same that answer. So that is a perfect number. So now I can give multi comment line that is reference for your view. And now our class that is a perfect, yes, perfect, or we can say that PERNUM, perfect number, that is our class name. And now we can start our coding of program Java. So public static, yes, public static void main, and then string, that is a AR, small ARGS, that one dimensional array, opening closing of main method, and then we can assign n equal to 1, 2, 3. Yes, here we can use as a static because whenever we can learn IO input output package, that time we can use input from user taking. So that is a character string and byte string, that class we have to use. So that time we have to use as a static. And yes, D for separate the digit, and then we can sum. So sum assigned to 0 and multiplication assigned to 1, because that is the rules of maths. If multiplication operation we can assign to 0, so all are 0, so we can assign 1. Yes, and now we can take, yes, that is a while loop. And yes, that is a best while loop is a, because number programming, that is a best suitable loop in the number program is a while loop. So we cannot any starting and ending. So like triangle, pyramid, or series program we can use as a for loop, but here that is a while loop in number programming. So given number is a perfect or not in Java, so that is that type definition we can use as a while loop. And now first we can separate to our digit. So n modulo 10, yes. So we can 10 separate, and then sum, yes, so sum plus equal to. So that is, I think you have to know, that is a compound assignment. So that full form sum equal to sum plus d. So that is a sum of digit. And multiplication, yes, mul asterisk and equals same d. So that is a short technique. I think now you have to understand. So that is again compound assignment. So whenever one statement, one variable repeat in one statement 2 times, so we can use this short technique. Plus equal, multiplication equal, yes. And now what to do? Yes, we can like n divide by 10. So again, I use the short technique. And now after complete the while loop, so we can say that sum equal multiplication. Yes, that's digit sum and multiplication. If same, so we can print, yes, that number is magic, not yes, perfect, not magic, because in my previous video lecture I take as a magic number. So here we can use as a perfect number. So you can watch also that video lecture. So yes, that system out print, and that we can say that number is perfect. So yes, that is a perfect. So yes, perfect, the number is perfect, and else the number is not perfect. yes, we can also print, but not required because we have already scanned. And you have, if you print, so here just print anyone like sum, yes, and here I print like MUL multiplication. So yes, here we can say that number is not perfect. So yes, that sum of digit and multiplication of digit if not same, so that is a not perfect, and otherwise it's same, so that is a perfect number. So let us check. So first I save yes that file, as you have to know the rules of Java. So class name is a same file name. So here prnum.java extension. Otherwise that text file notepad is there. So text file is saved by default that extension. So we can provide the Java extension. So our file is as Java, and now we can compile and run. Yes. So how? Yes, we can go in command prompt, those prompts. So you can look here that one, and we can first cd slash, so come out all directories, and cd then directly jump to our F drive. So that is a F colon, and cd change the directory Java Pro, that is our program folder when I first create in my first video lecture. And then first we can launch our path of JDK. So Java path, I create the batch file. So we cannot always write these two commands, set path and set class path. So I create one batch file and run that file. So all both path is set. And now Java C, we can compile perfect er.java. Yes, that is a JDK tool. Yes, there is no any error. And now that run our program. So look that yes, that number is perfect, and that the sum, yes, 6 is print, but very close to our text. So what to do? So here we can separate column, and that is a provide one blank, so we can perfectly look. So that sum is 6. Yes, here our answer. But now I can give like we can give 153. That is not a perfect number but Armstrong number. So in my upcoming video I take as an Armstrong number or not, but here I testing that not is a perfect, because that sum and multiplication is not same. So that sum is a 9, and multiplication is a like a 5 multiply 1, so 5, and 5 multiply 3, so that is a 15, and sum is 9, so both are not same. So let us check. So I can save. Yes, if any change you can save and then again compile. Yes, I first compile. So previous command appear is up arrow key, and down arrow key you can before the command, and after the go your command up and down key you can use. Yes, now I can run. So you can look that 15, that sum of means that not perfect, and that is a 15 answer. Yes, that not perfect. So multiplication operation. So 5 multiply 3, so that is a 15. Here print my multiplier, but sum is a only 9. So both are not same, and that is not perfect number, but that is a Armstrong number. So I just testing that logic is work or not. So yes, I hope you can understand, enjoy. Yes, that is a how to perfect number or not in check in Java. So yes, now I can give the CLS, clear the screen. So I hope you can understand and enjoy. Any question regarding how the perfect number, that logic, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.